Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today, we have a peach whiskey sour. It's real easy to do. All right, first thing we got to do is we got to get a cocktail shaker filled with ice. Then we're going to add in 1 shot of or 1.5 ounces of bourbon. Then we're going to add 1.5 ounces of peach schnapps. Or basically, 1 shot is 1.5 ounces, so half a shot is 0.75 ounces. We will have also added to this, the camera might not have been on for it, a half an ounce of simple syrup, or about roughly a third of a shot of simple syrup, and then the juice of 1 lemon. Then we want to, oh, there we are, there's the simple syrup. And then we want to give this a good shake. And then after a good shake, just pour it into a glass. You can ice is optional. I decided not to do ice. And that's a peach whiskey sour. Done.